Hi there. Today we're going to make a low sugar barbecue sauce that keeps well in your fridge, and it goes great with chicken or pork, and it's very easy and quick to put together. We're going to start with a can of plain tomato sauce, not spaghetti sauce or anything, just plain tomato sauce. This can is 398 milliliters, and we're going to add some finely chopped onion and some garlic, and then we're going to fill it up with a little bit of water and some cider vinegar. And then for seasoning, we're going to add a tablespoon each of Worcestershire sauce and low sodium soy sauce. And then for our spices, we have a mixture of smoked paprika, which gives it that nice smoky barbecue sauce flavor, some chili powder, some celery seed, and some cinnamon and some cloves and some cayenne pepper. You can always increase the amount of cayenne pepper if you'd like the sauce to be more spicy. So we're going to take this to the stove and I'll show you how to put it together. Okay, so on the stove I have my pan with a teaspoon of sunflower oil, and I'm going to add my onion and garlic to that. I don't want the heat to be too high. I don't want this to brown. I just want to cook it out a little bit. Now I'm going to add the spice mixture just to give it a little bit of a saute with the onions and the garlic, just so it opens up the spices a little bit. And you're going to just saute this until it's nice and fragrant. When you can really smell those spices, then it's time to add the liquid. So I'm going to start with my water and give that a stir, and then add the tomato sauce. Our cider vinegar, our Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce, and then we're going to add a bit of sweetness to it with about a quarter of a cup of honey. Just going to finish off this one here. It's about 4 tablespoons. And all of these ingredients can be adjusted to your own personal preference. You can taste it when it's finished. If you decide it needs more or less of something to balance it out, you can certainly do that. With barbecue sauce, you want a real balance of savory and sour and sweet and spicy. And we're just going to let this come to a boil now. And this is going to just simmer over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to check it. And if it's thick the way we like it, then we'll be done with it. If it's not, we can just let it boil a little more until it's the thickness that we want. Okay, so our barbecue sauce has been simmering now for about 20 minutes, and it's nice and thick, and the flavors have all combined. If you wanted a smoother sauce, you could always puree this with a handheld blender or put it in a food processor. Once it's cooled, you can store it in a jar and put it in the fridge for up to a week or two, and you can use it on your favorite barbecued meats or in your slow cooker to make pulled pork. And with barbecue season here, I hope you give it a try, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.